Hello people, video here of two Kazi Shiros. Now what I wanted to share with you here, what is interesting, or what I find interesting, you may as well. Sorry about the glare, it's a light above my head. Now about 3 weeks ago these were in my main pond, and in the UK it's getting a little bit cooler now, and these two fish, ever since I had them, for some reason, shortly after they arrived, they started getting carp pox. Now, I have got a video as well of these 3 weeks ago, and they was absolutely covered in carp pox. I cannot tell you how bad they were on almost every part of the body, whether it's fins, dorsal, the head, everything, and they were horrible. And I thought, do you know what? I'm going to lose these because they was that bad. And I just didn't know what to do with them, so I thought PP dip, potassium permanganate. Now there's many haters of potassium permanganate out there. I absolutely love the stuff. I use it on my pond when I need to, and I found that it's done really good in the pond. So say twice a year or something like that. Not only does it keep parasites down, it keeps your pond any muck down. It won't get rid of it because obviously it can't just make things vanish. It just keeps algae and things like that on top. But anyway, I use it as a treatment for parasites because it's cheap and it's effective. Now I'm going to do another video of a Deutsch Kohaku that I've got, and I think I've mentioned it. I put that in a PP bath for 10 minutes, and its head, like this ulcerous head, damage to its head, was just a nightmare to cure. And I dipped it, and it wasn't its last legs, it was like at the bottom of the pond, just really sulking. I thought, oh dear, that's a goner. So I kept it in there for a couple of weeks. In fact, it was a salt bath in a PP. The salt bath didn't do it, or being in salt for a couple of weeks didn't do it. In a tank I put it in, but then the PP dip, or 7 minute bath, did 1 gram in 10 litres of water. I was amazed at how it sorted the fish out, cured it. Now these two, I bought them in here. This is currently 22. I'm going to up the temperature now, I think, to about 24 for trying to get another month of growth out of it in here before it gets cold. And I thought, why not? I had nothing to lose. PP dip them, and they had a 10-minute bath, 1 gram in 10 litres. And afterwards they did look a bit of a state, because obviously the PP dip, it just attacked all the carp pox. They both sulked for a bit. One of them took a really bad turn, didn't like it afterwards, and it was like swimming on its side, you know, like they do. So what I did, I got it in here and I put its mouth in front of that. So it sort of, I held it in front of it so the oxygen was being pushed through the mouth and out the gills. And after about 10 minutes it was buoyant again and it was fine. The moral of the story is that I think 10 minutes, or was it 7? I think 7 to 10 minutes was just too long. I probably went overboard because they're only small fish, so obviously not take a lot to knock them. And if you're covered in carp pox as well, they're probably weren't that strong. So I'd say 5 minutes PP dip. Now what I wanted to show was, just to add, when I first had them, they was in here and it was heated, and it never reduced the pox at all. Didn't touch it. It just got worse and worse and worse. Put them in the pond, I thought, for the summer, get some light, the pond temperature's warmer, still no difference, it got worse. Put them back in here at 22 degrees, and that PP dip, I'm just absolutely amazed how clear, and I mean how quick it got rid of the pox. Look at them. They're absolutely awesome now. I mean, these were looking like my worst fish. And now they've just... They have not got one sign, one mark of carp pox. Look at them. Absolutely doing amazing. And I think I've just tried to sex them, and I think I might have a male and a female. That would be really cool if I have. I've looked at the vents. One looks pointy and slim like a male, and the other one looks flatter and wider, a female. So hopefully got a male and female there. And another interesting thing, one was 16 centimetres back in March and one was 17 centimetres. I've measured them and they're both 23 centimetres now. So hopefully they'll be a bit happier in here, in this grow, get more food down them, get some eat now. And that carp, because I think that carp pox really did, you know, pull them back a little bit. And look at them now. Just thought I'd share another positive with potassium permanganate and koi keeping. There's a lot of horror stories out there and a lot of people hating the stuff. Well, actually, it's not that many. I would say there's more positive than negative. Now, if basically all you need to do whenever using PP, you oxygenate, you weigh it out, and you know your pond volume. You know your volume, you weigh it out with miniature scales like this, and you get it bang on. Okay? But in this case, I did it in a trug. I've got a black trug. I think I measured 10 litres, a bucket full of water, 1 gram, mixed it with hot water so it dissolved well, put them in. And the proof is in the pudding, look at it. We've got that yellowy head now, look, and you sometimes see these when they're developing. People think, oh, look at that horrible, look, that doesn't look very white, but that, when with age, they just come pure. So I'm really looking forward to these now. I'm really into these two now. Was getting really despondent with them. I liked them because of the marks on the head for some reason. Because I like Tancho style type markings. I just thought the headbands and heads were nice. Right up my street, and they just looked a nice pair together. I'm going to pick which one's male or which one's female in a minute, see if I can. I think this one's a female. Where is it? Look at the bellies. This one, the belly just looks a bit rounder here. This one just looks more slimline, so I think that one. Okay, I'm going to see that with a pan. I'm going to try in a minute, see if that's the one. So, I hope that's been of some interest. If you have any questions regarding PP, do not, just to finish, like I say, weigh it out, know your pond volume, monitor them and time it, time your duration. I've got nothing but positive with it. Do not go by teaspoons and all this sort of stuff. Any questions? Happy days, happy ponding. Hope that's been of some interest. Absolute crackers now. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share. Cheers.